Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Supreme Court upholds Centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of 1,000 and 500 rupee denominations. BJP welcomes Supreme Court's verdict on demonetization of high-value currency notes. Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra holds interaction with district heads and officials of West Jaintia Hills District. And Congress Party would do well in Garo Hills region in the upcoming assembly polls, says its state president Vincent H. Pala. The news in detail. The Supreme Court has upheld the Centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of 500 and 1,000 rupee denominations. A 5-judge constitution bench dismissed a batch of petitions challenging the Centre's decision to demonetize 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. The 5-judge constitution bench, headed by Justice S.A. Nazir, said the decision, being the executive's economic policy, cannot be reversed. Reading out the majority judgment, Justice B.R. Gavai said, Centre's decision-making process cannot be flawed as there was consultation between the Reserve Bank of India and the Union government. In an affidavit, the Centre has told talk with the top court that the demonetization exercise was a well-considered decision and part of a larger strategy to combat the menace of fake money, terror financing, black money and tax evasion. The BJP has welcomed the Supreme Court's verdict on demonetization of high-value currency notes, saying that the decision taken in the interest of the country has been upheld. Addressing media in New Delhi, party spokesperson Ravi Shankar Prasad said that the demonetization scheme was implemented with an objective of curbing terror, funding and black money. He said it was the biggest blow to terrorism. He came down heavily on Congress for its opposition over the note ban, alleging that the opposition party has protected and promoted the informal economic elements in the country.
The Supreme Court today, by a majority judgment of 4-1, has dismissed all the 58 writ petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the historic demonetization scheme launched in 2016 by the Shri Narendra Modi government. This whole exercise was done for a valid cause, namely removing fake currency, containing terror funding, black marketing, etc.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the 108th Indian Science Congress (ISC) at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow through video conferencing. The focal theme of this year's ISC is Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment. It will witness discussions on issues of sustainable development, women empowerment and the role of science and technology. The participants will discuss and deliberate on ways to increase the number of women in higher echelons of teaching, research and industry, along with trying to find ways to provide women with equal access to science, technology, engineering, mathematics education and economic participation. Meghalaya Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra today held an interaction on various central government projects in West Jaintia Hills District in the presence of Additional Deputy Commissioner P.K. Boro and SP B.D. Marak, along with district officials in the meeting. The governor discussed about the implementation of various schemes and encouraged the district heads to ensure that the schemes reach all the beneficiaries. He also discussed the overall situation in West Jaintia Hills District and the progress made in terms of development over the years. Additional Deputy Commissioner thanked the Governor for his support and guidance in ensuring that these development schemes are properly implemented.
To know as to what all developmental projects you have in your district and what is your achievement department-wise. You see, aim is not to come and have tea or not to come and have formal introduction. All that I want to know is that all of us, me, you, all of us, we are working for the people of our district. And I have taken oath and you have also taken a pledge that we will work for the welfare of our people.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala has asserted that the party would do well in Garo Hills region in the upcoming assembly polls. He said that the fight in Garo Hills will be mainly between NPP and Congress, while adding in the some seats there will be a fight between Congress and TMC. Earlier, Pala said that he is not sure if seasoned politician Dr. Mukul Sangma will be happy to be in TMC as they work with a different approach. It may be mentioned that Garo Hills region is set to witness a multi-cornered battle with parties like BJP, Congress, TMC and NPP going all out to win major or the 24 seats there.
From our friends from Garo Hills and all, I think the fight in Garo Hills is mainly between the NPP and the Congress, except in certain areas, of course, like Trinamool also will be there because they are Trinamool just now. They were in the Congress only, so they have taken quite a few people from the Congress. So only when we have a proper candidates, we are going to announce the candidates very soon.
The Gross Goods and Services Tax (GST) revenue collected in December 2022 is nearly 1,50,000 crore rupees. Finance Ministry said the GST revenue are 15% higher than the GST revenues in the same month last year. During the month, revenues from import of goods were 8% higher and the revenues from domestic transaction are 18% higher than the revenues from these sources during the same month last year. The ministry said total revenue of centre is 63,380 crore rupees and the state is 64,451 crore rupees after regular settlements in December last year. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 15.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 5.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 58% while in the evening it was 70%. Forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Supreme Court upholds Centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of 1,000 and 500 rupee denominations. BJP welcomes Supreme Court's verdict on demonetization of high-value currency notes. Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra holds interaction with district heads and officials of West Jantia Hills District. And Congress party would do well in Garo Hills region in the upcoming assembly polls, says its state president Vincent Pala. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.